This is the double Clubbell side shoulder cast. So for this exercise, we'll need 2 Clubbells, and we're going to begin in the order position. So your forearms at 90 degrees, your elbows pinned at the side. We're going to reach back just to get set up. So both Clubbells behind your back, your knuckles can touch. So you can see at the back here, my knuckles are touching. And you want to keep your elbows quite wide. What we're going to do is we're going to pull the Clubbells up, and then we're going to come down to this position where our elbows are locked at our side. So that's the end of the rep there. And then we're going to place the Clubbells back behind our back. Just let it hang loose. Again, knuckles can touch, elbows wide, and that will be 1 rep. So big deep breath. And then back. So again, like many other variations of this exercise, it's a great exercise to train your shoulders and the back of your shoulders in the frontal plane.